What up, man? It's your boy Bree T with a Z. Yeah, man, I ain't really get a chance to post a video like I wanted to last night. Things kind of got a little crazy and out of control. But it is Sunday in Houston, Texas. You feel me? And I am back once again in my Dodge Charger GT. I did have hella races last night. I'm not gonna lie, but couldn't really post what I wanted to post. And like I said, I just started off this channel, and I'm just learning how to upload videos. I still don't know how to edit and do all that stuff yet, but I will be learning. And yeah, things kind of got a little crazy last night, so I'm kind of glad I didn't record, but I will be uploading more videos. Trust me, I will. I try to upload at least once a week, twice a week, as many times as I can. But right now I'm just riding, you know, over here in, I'm not gonna say what area, but I'm over here in Houston, Texas. I'm about to go watch this bad boy drive through Mister's Car Wash. You know, they do got the membership. I ain't trying to promote them, but they do got a good membership, $37 a month, and you just drive through. $10 for vacuum. That's what I got. I mean, this car is white, so it's very hard to keep clean. So I wash this car, I kid you not, at least twice, sometimes twice a week, but for sure once a week. And I just, you know, anybody got money to be detailing cars and stuff like that all the time, y'all know that's very expensive if you ever got your car detailed. Well, it's a nice car and I want to keep it clean, so I think that's the cheapest route for me to go until I wrap it, which is probably going to be in the next, I don't know, year or so, according to the funds, you know. But as of right now, I'm going to do some body mods to it. Coming soon. I did get a SRT grill. I got the front bumper guard, and I got the spoiler extension. But I'm waiting on that to come in from Amazon. I got the bumper grill, guard already. I put it together, but I don't want to drill nothing in this car. I know I could, but I'd rather take it to a professional and when all the parts come in at once, get everything done at once. You know, a special treat in December, I will be getting custom lights. I don't know which ones yet, but I really want to put that SRT grill on there first because I want to incorporate the lights in that grill. I really like the way it looks. I've seen it on a bunch of cars on YouTube, a bunch of cars in Houston. Come to Houston, man. Come ready, bro. Don't think you got the baddest car out there until you come to Houston. These boys down here, they be suiting up their cars, bro. Like, and I'm not, it's no cap, bro. Like, everybody got cars down here. Like, fast cars, and they swapping, they doing the most to these cars. You know, I might swap the engine out later on down the line, but I'm not really sure about all that. My goal is overall just to show you guys what I'm going to do to the car, how I got the car. I am going to make another page with my kids. Like I said, I don't know if you guys watched the other video, but I am a single dad, and we're going to make our own page. But that is yet to be pronounced when. Probably next month sometime, but I'll let you guys know in upcoming videos. But yeah, I'm on my way to wash the car. I washed it 2 days ago. I'm washing it again. I mean, it's white. It's hard to keep clean. Yeah. Subscribe to your boy channel, bro. It's Bree T with a Z, the Houston native. You already know, bro.